On Manufacturing Day 2020, TMA spoke with James of OTTO Engineering in Carpentersville, Illinois.
When I first started here, I started on the line, and I worked on the line for 7 years. I had a good time up there, and I heard it was going to be an opening for machine shop. I've never done machine shop before. I didn't know much about machining, but I wanted to try that out. So I started on the second shift and learned uh, what I could during that year. I did well enough to come to the first shift and did pretty good there also. And uh, I still needed more training because I wasn't a machinist. So they sent me to TMA. So they wanted to try TMA out. And I did well there. And my progression was better from where it started. And they had a 3 year program, so they tried me in a 3 year program. I enjoyed that and finished that up. I graduated from there, and now I'm doing setup instead of operator, and I'm doing a good job. I hope.
He's doing a great job.
It's a lot of different stuff, and there's different stuff like every day, and it's a lot of stuff that I didn't know because I didn't come from a machining background, and before I came here I was going to be accounting, and I looked into this. I said, oh, this is more exciting, at least. So I had a better time here, and all the stuff that I get a chance to look at now, I can see in different stuff, and it's like, oh, we probably make that stuff over there. So it's pretty good. And I was on my off days, and somebody recommended OTTO to me. They said, oh, you'll do good here. You'll have a good time here. So that's how I got into here.
This is a pretty cool place to work.
Yes,
This building
yes, it
is awesome, right?
Yeah, this is fantastic.
And so, how long have you been here now?
I've been here for over 20 years.
20 years.
Yes.
So, how long did it take you to get to be a machinist?
I want to say out of those 20, probably 13.
To get to a high level.
Yes.
It's fantastic. So this is a real. Would you encourage anybody else to
Oh yeah,
head this direction?
if it's a chance to do that, go jump for it. It's the best experience you can get, especially if you like machining and seeing how stuff is put together, is the best thing to do.